Hey guys, there's a brand new Amex Gold Card out there, and American Express is claiming it's the best card yet. But frankly, I'm getting a little bit sick of this. Credit card companies keep raising their annual fees. The old Amex Gold Card was only a $195 annual fee, and the first year was waived. Now, this new card is $250, the first year isn't waived, and that totals to an increase of $305 over 2 years. But let me ask you this, why is this card now in my wallet? Watch this video to find out why I added the new Amex Gold Card to my arsenal, and I think you guys should too. Hey guys, my name is Andrew Wise with Life Tailored, and we teach you how to travel the world for free using points and miles. Together with my wife, we've traveled to over 39 different destinations, and we have over 2.4 million airline miles in our account. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an amazing life hack or credit card sign-up bonus, and hit the bell so you get our newest videos every Monday. And finally, if you want to see how far points and miles can take you, then follow us on Instagram at LifeTailored. Okay guys, now let's get started talking about the new Amex Gold Card. So this card was announced in October of 2018, and that's when Amex rolled over their old gold card into the new gold card, and really this new gold card was a way to compete with the Chase Sapphire Reserve and the Citi Prestige card. The CSR gives you 3x points on travel and dining, the Citi Prestige gets you 5x points on travel and dining, and now the new Amex Gold Card is giving you 4x points on US restaurants and supermarkets. There's an annual fee increase from $195 up to $250, and the first year is not waived, but there is a nice welcome bonus of 35,000 points achieved after spending $2,000 in the first 3 months. Now the kicker is, what really makes this Amex Gold Card new and exciting is that they offer a $120 dining credit. So the way they do it is they dose it out $10 a month over 12 months equals $120. And it's $10 at certain participating merchants. The merchants that I really love are the fact that they have Grubhub and Seamless. They also have participating Shake Shack restaurants. And since we eat at Seamless at least once a week, we added the Amex Gold Card to our Seamless account and also unlocked that benefit on the American Express site, which you have to do when you do get the card. And now every time we order from Seamless, we get $10 off once we accrue that $10 credit, and we're getting 4x points back. Each Amex point is worth about 2 cents, which equates to about an 8% refund on anything we buy from Seamless. So more justification for Way to keep ordering Seamless and keeping those leftovers and throwing them away at the end of the week if they don't finish them, but either way, we're getting 8% off. The new Amex Gold Card also gets you 3x points on flights booked on AmexTravel.com. I personally use the Amex Platinum card to get the 5x points on Amex Travel, and the CSR offers 3x points on travel, but for people that don't have the CSR or the Amex Platinum, this is a pretty nice benefit. You also are getting a $100 annual airline credit. I applied mine to American Airlines because Way currently has status there, and whenever I need to buy a upgraded seat, checked bag, meals on the flight, or drinks in my case, I'm getting a $100 credit every year. So combined with the $120 from dining and $100 from airline credit, the annual fee comes down to about $30 a year. So considering we're getting an 8% return on any restaurants or any Seamless, that $30 is pretty easy to reduce. Okay, so real quick, let's compare the old Amex Gold Card to the new one. So the old Gold Card had the $195 annual fee waived for the first year, and it earned 2x points on travel and dining, and it earned 2x points on US supermarkets and restaurants, and 2x points on gas stations. So the only major change here is you're losing the 2x points on gas stations, but I don't drive out of a car. That's not a benefit for me. That's one of the reasons this card is in my wallet. But if that's a consideration for you, I don't think the Amex Gold Card is really a great fit for spending a $195 annual fee just for 2x points on gas stations anyway. So if you had the old Amex Gold Card, don't worry, get rid of that card. Look at this new Amex Gold Card for the 4x points. So some other quick benefits, they also carry travel insurance with this new Amex Gold Card. You get baggage insurance if your bag is ever lost, stolen, or damaged. When we were in St. Bart, we had my bag go missing, so this baggage insurance is actually a pretty important feature to me. And you also get car rental loss and damage, so if you're renting a car, make sure to use your Amex Gold Card. Now guys, if you're considering getting the Amex Gold Card, please use the link down in the description below, or go to lifetailored.com. We get credit for any signups you get, and it helps support the channel. And now getting to the part that you guys are probably gonna ask me questions about, which card should I get, the Amex Gold Card or something else? I reply to every single comment you guys leave, so if you have a question about this card or any others, drop it down below. I'll answer it after the video and possibly create another video in response to your question. So let's do a quick comparison. Let's do the Amex Gold Card versus a Chase Sapphire Preferred. So the CSP has got a $95 annual fee versus $250, so CSP wins on that. But the CSP has no annual travel credit, so you don't get $120 from seamless dining, and you don't get $100 from Airline Credit. And comparing the 2x return on the travel and dining from the CSP versus 4x from dining on the Amex, the overall returns are 4% on the CSP because each point is worth about 2 cents, and each point on Amex is worth about 2 cents. So we're looking at a 4% return on the CSP versus an 8% return on the Amex Gold. If I was comparing these two cards heads up, no doubt I'd take the Amex Gold. The only reason I would suggest the CSP is if you're going from the Chase Sapphire Freedom or Chase Sapphire Freedom Unlimited and you need to unlock travel benefits, having the CSP in your wallet is a great decision. The Amex Gold doesn't unlock these cards to get those points so you can transfer to airline, hotel, or other travel partners. Now let's move to the CSR. So the Chase Sapphire Reserve earns 3x on travel and dining, which is effectively a 6% return versus the Amex Gold's 8% return. I personally have the Chase Sapphire Reserve in my wallet, and I have it for the 3x points on travel, which gets me the baggage and baggage delay insurance. And also it has a $300 annual travel credit, which I apply to Uber. The Amex Gold has just $120 for dining and $100 for airline travel, so the statement credits don't quite match up. I kind of see these cards as two different classes. The Amex Gold is my go-to card for whenever I dine out. The Chase Sapphire Reserve is my go-to card for travel. If I was doing a heads-up comparison of these two cards, I would consider, one, are you spending a ton of money on travel or Ubers? If you are, and you're looking for just one card, go for the Chase Sapphire Reserve. The majority of your expense is on dining, and that's all you care about, then go for this Amex Gold. The one caveat there is if you're not spending money on Seamless or Grubhub, that $120 credit is really hard to get. The other participating restaurants are Select Shake Shacks, which probably means like 5, Cheesecake Factory, which is awful, Ruth's Chris, which is, I guess, a decent steak in a pinch, but in general, it's gonna be hard to earn back that $120. So if you're Seamless, Grubhub, spend a ton of money on restaurants, Amex Gold is a clear winner. And if that doesn't apply to you and you wanna max out your points, then go for the Chase Sapphire Reserve. One interesting card comparison is the Amex Everyday Preferred card. It's gonna get you 3x points on supermarkets for the first 60K in spend, plus it's gonna get you a 50% bonus if you make 30 transactions in a single billing period, which is basically 30 days or one transaction every day. If you do that, your return on spend is going to be 6% versus 8% from the Amex Gold. Sorry, it's going to be 9% for the Amex Everyday Preferred versus 8% for the Amex Gold. This is a better return, and the Amex Everyday Preferred only has a $95 annual fee. So if your priority is groceries and using your card every single day to get the max amount of points for the least amount of annual fee, this Amex Everyday Preferred card is a great heads-up comparison and beats the Amex Gold Card. So bottom line, why do I have the Amex Gold Card in my wallet? Well, first of all, my wallet, I just got these cool little stickers. Way's friend from work gave me these, and I've got a little LT on my wallet. If you want any of these, comment down below, I can hook you guys up. But first of all, it's a nice heavy gold card. You can just kind of see it there. It matches up well with the Amex Platinum I also have in my wallet. They kind of look the same color in this light. So for one, when I drop it down on the table, it feels kind of cool, but you know, that's a stupid benefit. But anyway, I dine out a ton. We eat Seamless once a week, so we're getting $120 free via Seamless. I'm getting 4x return on any restaurant purchases. I've noticed since I've had this card, I've been putting my card down more and having people Venmo me, so I'm racking up even more points. I'm getting an 8% return whenever we dine out, which is a pretty good discount. Considering the tax rates here in New York City, it's almost like paying no taxes for any restaurant meals. I'm not that big on the $100 annual airline travel credit. It's kind of hard for me to remember which airline I picked and to use the card when paying for those baggage fees or dining or anything like that. But since it's in my wallet, the next time that little luggage or the beverage cart comes down, I'll make sure to give them my Amex Gold Card to get my $100 annual travel credit. And the $250 annual fee isn't that bad for me because I've reduced it down to about 30 bucks. So let me know what you guys think. Are you gonna get the new Amex Gold Card? Did you like the old one? Are you considering any of these other cards I've did a heads up comparison on? If you sign up for this card, please again use the link down below or go to lifetailor.com. And now that you guys have learned about the new Amex Gold Card, I've got a great playlist right over here. It's got a ton of travel hacks and it teaches you how to transfer your points to airline partners like Singapore Suites so you can fly in a private bed in the sky. And also make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell. We've got a new amazing video coming out this Monday. And follow us on Instagram @LifeTailored to see how far points and miles can take you. Okay guys, keep watching this video and I'll see you this coming Monday. Bye.